Hi, my name is George, and this video is going to be a short demonstration of the Winegard SensarPro Antenna amplifier and signal monitor. In this installation, I placed my own, from Radio Shack, switch to remove power from the unit completely while we're boondocking to reduce the battery drain. We turn it on. That's the normal boot sequence, including the little beep. And in this case, the best signal it found, because it went into the antenna scan mode, was channel 23, which equates to a UHF channel number, not the 3.1 or 4.2 that you'd normally find on a digital television. Now, the way the scan mode works is it finds the most powerful station of all the ones that are available and displays that channel. If we hit the up sequence, it goes through a rescan. In some cases it may actually find a different channel, but in this case 23 appears to be the strongest. The modes for this unit are park cable, which is no amplification, direct pass-through, antenna scan mode, seek mode, channel mode, gain mode, and volume. The gain and the volume equate to just the unit itself, has nothing to do with the channels. If we advance the mode to the seek, the first channel it found with a signal was channel 11. And if we up sequence in this case, the next channel with a signal was 15, and the next channel after that is 22. If we go down in sequence, we go back to 15, go back to 11, and then we get to channel 50. So the seek mode starts at channel 1 and sequences up through the channels until it finds a channel with a signal and then displays it. The next mode is the channel mode. Now this mode equates directly to a channel number, and notice we start out with 11. If we go to 12, there's no signal. 13, no signal. 14, no signal. 15, we're back to a signal, just like we did with this seek mode, but in this case we individually sequence through the channels. Channel 11, channel 10, and if we went all the way back, we could have gone all the way to 1. There would be no signal because there was none in the seek mode. The next mode on the unit is where we can set the actual antenna gain. It comes from the factory set at 10. It can go from 0 to 20. In this case, 10 seems to work out okay, so we'll leave it there. The next mode is the volume mode, and it's 0 through 3. And if we leave it there, then it will automatically sequence to the scan mode. And notice how many beeps it beeps for 66. Now if we go down to the seek mode, 44, if we scan up, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rotate the antenna so you can actually hear the frequency change of the chirps. Oops. Notice how they got significantly faster as the signal strength went up, and how it slows down as the signal strength drops off. Then after a few moments, if nothing changes on the signal strength, the chirping will stop. Like that. However, if that number changes just one digit, it starts chirping again. So that's how you use the volume to help set it, especially if you couldn't observe the gain. And that's how you turn it off. Okay, the part cable mode is just a simple pass-through. There's two inputs, one for antenna, that's where the amplified signal comes in at, and then there's part cable, which is just a straight connection, passes through the unit and goes to your TVs. The outputs on this unit are two, one for TV1 and another one for TV2. In my installation, I just used the antenna lead and TV1, and I did not bother with the part cable connection or the antenna, the TV2 output. And that pretty much ends the demo. This removes the power from the unit, everything goes blank, and that's the end of this video.